Some more popcorn.
Out of the race, that benefits like Mitt Romney. For example, in this case, Newt Gingrich drops out of the race, and he will assign to Mitt Romney all of his chins. They will go to all that they will go. Now, Mitt Romney is not going to be easy sailing for Mitt. They say that he's having trouble appealing to Latino voters. And I thought to myself, one of our staff members, our beloved boy, who's like 80, Tony Mendez, as a Latino. Tony, do you have any? Yes, come on up, Tony. Here he is. All right, do you have any? How you doing, Tony? All right. Oh, you smell like Amy. All right. Tony, do you have any advice for Mitt Romney as a Latino yourself? Sí. Lo que me gusta de Mitt Romney es esa loca canción.
You look very funny. Want some more? Want some more popcorn?
Hi, Alan. Hey, Dave. Excuse me, who is, looks like you have a friend with you. Who's that gentleman who's sitting next to you there?
As you know, Dave, today is Take Your Child to Work Day. This is my son, Daryl.
You know, Alan, that's great. Hi, Daryl. I didn't know you had a son, Alan.
Look, Daryl's from my second marriage right after grad school. Sometime, Dave, you'll have to meet his half-sister from my first marriage.
Thanks. Have fun, Daryl.
Some more?
How old is that guy? Alan, no.
I don't know. You know, Alan looks great, though, for his age. The two of them could be brothers, they.
Yeah.
Alan is your son.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Today is Bring Your Daughter.
See that birdie
And
eating popcorn?
And as a matter of fact, my navigation lady this morning in my car let her daughter give me directions. That was nice. And
Oh, he's spilling it all over me.
then I brought in my son. I brought my son to bring your son or daughter to work. I brought him in and let him fire a rifle. Tony, come on. Come on back out here. Come on. Tony, do you have anything else for Mitt Romney?
See?
Lo que me gusta de Mitt Romney es el loco caballo que baila.
Mitt Romney's horse.
Some more?
That's right. I tell you, it looks like fun, doesn't it? But try it for about 20 minutes and then call